Hello, everybody! Yes, I'm not dead, I'm still alive, and we're back with more Ratchet and Clank. Now, you may be wondering, where exactly is a certain guest of mine? Well, Base Mistress 101 had some own personal things in her life, and I didn't want to take her away from any of that. So, it is just gonna be me from now on. I'm not gonna pull her away just to do commentary here, but I'm still thriving on, and the rest of this game playthrough will be in her dedication and memory. We'll all miss her and her 4 parts of being here. Yeah. A moment of silence. Okay, enough with the silence. Get this little boat. I got hit in one of the first levels of the game. That's fantastic. I don't know why I'm just spamming this thing. I guess it feels good. Oh. Hello. Squishy. I'm so used to a crack in time where you can actually throw your wrench while moving. It just felt so natural. Ooh, TV. Guys with shields. You can only destroy them if you have bombs or grenades. Well, as far as I know, that's the easiest way. Yep. Oh, sweet. Level up. Die. Secret area, which isn't really that secret. Now we're good. So how have you guys been? Yeah, I know it's been a really long time since I've recorded, like, at all. Pretty insane. So I've already got the Shock Ravager that was right here. And I've kind of already gone through this level. I don't know why I went back to the beginning though. I guess I was just feeling, random that day. More shield guys are annoying. Oh, that's a joy. Let's try the new Shock Ravager. These guys. And that is the first death of the playthrough, ladies and gentlemen. Biggest tip about those guys, do not use a Shock Ravager. And we're back here. I'm just going to cut when I go over there. I'll see you guys back when I'm back at that part, because I don't want to make you guys watch through all this again. So, yeah. Be right back.
Attacks are useless against an electrified enemy, Ratchet. Try a different weapon.
Yeah, sure, why not? Kerpow! Welcome back, everybody. Jump. Zappy zappy. Oh, this Shock Ravager thing just raced. I mean, seriously, I got through the entire section in like only a few seconds. As you can tell with the experience bar. Now, you'd think this would be like a hole or something, they can fly through, and that looks like a secret area. I wonder where this leads. Ooh, treasure. I love getting free stuff. No, I'm serious. Look at this view. Everything's so futuristic, High tech. Fallen Order future was this good. I heard an enemy trying to attack me up there. Let's go drop a surprise attack on them. If you can walk upstairs. Hi. That is the almighty power of the Shock Ravager. Oh gosh. Oh, double kill right there. Survivors! So, yeah, finally getting back into this game after so long. Does this mean our party is gonna stop? Probably for now. I really just want to get done with this game, since I started so long ago. But, yeah, and I believe this is where we're introduced to... Oh, gosh. Oh, that was bad. Bang! Level up! Oh, I miss that screen so much. Epicness. And once again, another song I love very much. And no, don't. I did a facepalm right there. You know, this thing is supposed to be automatic. That part wasn't very automatic. And now we get. Okay, so the notice don't jump. Shut up, random lady. You too, Commander Guy. I know I shouldn't be mean, but I don't need help. I've played and beaten this game multiple times. I love this game. I'm hijacking the car, bitches! And for some reason, I have to choose this manually. I like the shock grab into the beginning parts, but later on it just kind of gets pointless.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you
Let's see, can we get any more upgrades? Sure.
Upgraded.
Oh, wait, what's this? Wait. With this upgrade, each molten shot from your weapon will rain down streaming pyrocytic goo onto the ground. Your foes will have nowhere to run as the ground itself becomes your ally in battle.
Done.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have just maxed out the combustor. Let's try leveling up our fusion grenades. Yeah, I got a lot I can do. Wait, what's this? Damage? Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, whoa. Each missile comes equipped with a polonium-ion concussion detonator. These detonators are extremely effective at knocking your enemies down, thus giving you a strategic tactical advantage.
Bada bing.
Alright, so just need to save up for training for these. We good? We good. Okay, yeah, not worth it. This is our new grenades. That totally didn't take too long. I mainly just like using the, oh gosh. That shouldn't have hit. Yeah, Leo. Wait, there's a secret. There's a secret. Falling continues the camera. Wait, no, Ratchet, stop. Ratchet, stop. Okay, I'm not even holding anything on the control stick anymore. Okay, swing left, swing right. Swing left, swing right. Come on, Ratchet, you can do this. There we go, okay. Whew. I know there's an easier way to get here, but I like coming through this way. And there's supposed to be a launch pad here once you're done with the level, so... So I guess it was kind of pointless that we came here, huh? Well, good news is we got to avoid all that fight. Fear my electro whip of spankiness. Squish. Oh gosh. That was a complete mess. The combustor does more than the grenades. That's just sad. What's up here? Oh, we got a nice little aerial view. Okay, cheat. Yay! We don't have to do the wall jumping section.
Attention, drone bits. Any trooper who allows us to allow next
No, let's check this. Oh gosh, what was that? Oh, you guys. No high jump. There we go. Okay, we're gonna need the gelatonator for that. Come on. We now have our— No! That was a new mistake. Don't shoot the weapon as soon as you get the gel. Doing. Come on. Come on. Yes! To be honest, I didn't think I'd make that. This is Ratchet. The Ratchet. I don't know if Ratchet has the last name or not. Alright. Oh, of course. They want us. Stupid game mechanics. Wee. Now I'm gonna get a challenge right here. Don't hit the switches. Go up to right here, use your gelatinator. Wee. And you should get a challenge once you reach the other side. Yep, we don't need no stinking bridges. That's just one of the little handy things I know. I will not be showing off all the skill points because those things take forever. Oh, I didn't get us through the ship. And it just teleported. Bolts! Lots and lots of bolts. Oh, that was a smart move. Sure, let's in case explosion, some gel. Why not? I'm surprised I didn't die. Wait, no, surprises! We must get the surprises! Physics. Oh, this place is just chock full of goodies today. I believe this is just ammo and there's a lot of bolts everywhere. Yep, but the boing! Shock Ravager. Okay, I probably should just stuck with my wrench there, shouldn't I? Mighty Gel, I'm the mighty Ratchet! Ooh, Retanium. Alright, set our next platform, and up we go. Like I said, I'm trying to go for 100% in terms of just the normal stuff, so this will be one of my better playthroughs, I guess. Touch. Bad touch, bad touch! I feel like that's what the boxes are thinking. They're probably thinking, oh my god, he touched me! I must blow up and die. Don't care. And cutscene.
Ratchet, those creatures are telling us to go inside that building.
Creatures? What creatures? Did you get your wires crossed in that crash? Clank, have you been modifying yourself in private?
Absolutely not. And I do not care much for your tone.
We now have wings! Well, Clank now has wings. Oh god. I'm gonna go to the options real quick right here. Control options. Wait, no. Just turn that off, yeah. Oh god, why? Sorry, I don't like inverted controls. I'm picky like that. That's for the camera. Oh, come on. Don't want that. Anything? No? Help, please. That's not fair! Oh, I hate inverted controls. I don't know why, I really hate the inverted controls. So you guys already saw the instructions on screen. I don't need to explain this thing. You just fly around. The Hall of Knowledge. Come on, I want to catch up to you. I hit him! Yay! And if you want to fly back, and you just use this thing. Don't really suggest it though, because random health. Okay. That's what she said. They penetrated our defenses. Oh my.
Welcome to the GrummelNet weapon shop.
Well, yeah, we got some more stuff. Yeah, all that stuff's gonna have to wait. So we've almost already full. Ooh, water. Wait, no. Wait, I still have the gel? That doesn't make any sense, but okay. To dive underwater, press or square. So. I really don't actually like these controls. I kind of like the ones in Crack in Time a lot better. Whoa! Did you see that? Did you see that? Clipping? Clipping? I'm gonna see if I can replay that part. Clipping? Die, 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 die. Seriously, the combustor is better than those frickin' grenades. Oh god, minefield. First switch. Turbo!
Attention, citizen. The knowledge in this hall is protected by traps and puzzles so deviously complex they will fuse your neural pathways should you even attempt them. For your own safety, turn back.
How is this puzzle hard? If you heard what the lady said, it's supposed to, you know, like, freeze your mind and stuff like that. That puzzle wasn't hard, lady. And down we go. I said, down we go. Oh, but Ratchet. I know you like the floor, Ratchet. Doesn't mean you have to keep staring at it.
Attention, citizen. You appear to be more clever than we anticipated, but the security measures on this level of the facility are far more devious than the last. Spare yourself the abject humiliation of failure and turn back.
Why would I want to turn back? No. Ravenge. Ravenge. We good? We good. I love blowing shit up with the Ravenger. It feels so satisfying. Yes, I want that one bolt. Huh. You know, I wonder what happens if I swim down here. Oh my god, giant jellyfish. Hey, look at that. Yeah, get away from that. Wait up a bit. Next one over here. Ooh, we got a Ratranium chest. Of course, it didn't blow up the other one. I believe that's it.
Attention, citizen. This is your final warning. The knowledge contained in this hall has been classified as a threat to the Empire. Any attempt to enter the Imperial map room will result in a very painful and irreversible death.
And we just created shockwaves. Wait. No, wait, no, come back. Yeah, like that totally wasn't obvious. Is there anywhere else we can go here? I'm curious about that one. There we go. Gold bolt. I knew we were forgetting something. Not sure if that's our first one or not, but hey. Jump, jump. Oh, I hate walking on these things. They sound so wrong. And that wave thing is probably turning this video's compression into shit. That's just nice. Alright, just keep climbing up, climbing up. We're almost there to the Hall of Knowledge, everybody.
He's in the ventilation shaft above the map room. We cannot allow the Lombax access to its database.
There we go. Alright. I like Ratranium. Overfall and whee! Pretty much mini boss fight. Very pathetic fight, you know, with the shock Ravenger and everything. Something leveled up. Where is he? No. No. What, that's it?